Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today I will discuss about memory calculations in calculator, which is in page number 44, chapter 4 of your book. It is a very interesting topic. So take out your book, let's start.
We are in page 44. We have already discussed about the converter mode, standard mode, scientific mode and programmer mode of the calculator. Today we will start discussing from here performing calculations. How arithmetic calculations are performed in calculator? It is performed by using some symbols. And the symbols are given here. See, plus, minus, multiplication and division. We will see these buttons in our calculator application. So I am opening Windows calculator now. First I will open run dialog box using Windows key plus R. Now I will type CALC for calculator here. Then I will press enter. See, we can do arithmetic calculations using these 4 buttons. See, this slash symbol is used for division. This asterisk symbol, star symbol is used for multiplication, minus for subtraction, plus for addition. See, I will show you some examples. 100, then I will use this slash symbol for division. 2, 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Then I will use this asterisk button for multiplication. See, 40 multiplied by 2 is equal to 80. Now this plus and minus symbols for addition and subtraction. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So these are the basic arithmetic calculations that we can do in our calculator using these 4 buttons. Now we will talk about memory calculations. The Windows calculator application has an option of storing and retrieving specific numbers from its memory. The memory calculations can be done using these memory related buttons. See, MS, MR, M plus, M minus and MC. These buttons I will show you in the calculator now. See, MC, MR, MS, M plus and M minus. Now I will tell you what is the use of these buttons in calculator. Calculator can use its memory to store and retrieve numbers, and this is known as memory calculation. Memory is nothing but a small storage where we can store numbers, and these are the special buttons that we use for this memory calculation. MS means memory save. It is used to save any number to memory. MR means memory recall. It is used to retrieve the number which is stored in the memory. If we want to use or see the number which is stored in the memory, then we will use this MR button. Then M plus means memory add. This button is used to add any number to the number which is stored in the memory. Now M minus means memory subtract. It is used to subtract any number from the number which is stored in the memory. And the last one is MC means memory clear. It is used to clear the memory, means any number which is stored in the memory will be deleted. Now we will understand the use of all these buttons with an example. So suppose we will do this calculation using the memory of the calculator. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 4 into 2. we will calculate this and we should get the result 2. So let's open calculator first. See here, the steps I have already written for doing this calculation using memory. See, the 4 steps are there. First of all, we will calculate this 2 into 2. See, then see here in calculator, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So this we have done. Now we will press MS button. MS button is used to save any number to memory. So when I will press this MS button here now, then this 4 will be stored in the memory. Okay. Notice here this M symbol, M alphabet appears here in the display screen. It means we have some number, some value stored in the memory. So this 4 has been stored in the memory successfully using the MS button. Now see the second step. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So we will do that. 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. Then we will press M plus button. It is used to add any number to the number which is stored in the memory. So when I will press this M plus button, this 6 will be added to 4 that I have already stored in the memory. So see. Now next step, 4 into 2 equals to 8. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Now I will press M minus button. It is used to subtract any number from the number stored in the memory. So which number is stored in the memory now? 6 plus 4, 10. So when I will press this M minus button now, the 8 will be subtracted from that 10. See, I am pressing this M minus button. Done. Now the fourth step, we will use MR button. This button is used to retrieve the number which is stored in the memory. We can see which number is stored in the memory using this button. So it should show us 2. So let's see. I am pressing this MR button now. It is showing us the result 2. Now we can use this number 2 which is stored in the memory in any further calculation. For example, see, if I write here 10 plus MR. See, when I pressed MR, it is showing 2 in the display because 2 is stored in the memory now. So we can use the number stored in the memory anytime using the MR button. Now equal to 12. So 10 plus MR is equal to 12 because MR is 2. So we have done this calculation using memory of the calculator. Now the last one, this MC button. It is used to clear the memory. It is used to delete any number which is stored in the memory. See, when I will press this MC button, the M symbol here will disappear because there will be nothing in the memory then. See, I am pressing this button. See, M disappeared. Now when we press MR button, it will show nothing because the number in the memory has been deleted. See, MR is showing 0. Okay. I hope you all have understood the use of these buttons MS, M plus, M minus, MR and MC.
That's all for today, students. Practice at your home the calculations that I have shown today. See you in the next class. Thank you.